Welcome to our BDID domain channel. To know more about digital marketing strategy, do not skip and watch the full video.
Today we will see every steps that how we can buy Facebook followers. For that, you need to log into your best SMM panel, bestsmm.com. Here I have showed all the procedure how we can go to our best SMM panel, and before buying followers, you need to add your funds, and that is in this section, and that is add funds section. How we can add our funds on this SMM panel, I have showed every procedure. So if you guys missed our previous video, then go to our YouTube channel. You will get all those videos and you can learn all of those digital marketing tips and tricks, and also you will get this add funds things. So do not forget to subscribe our channel and share to others. So let's start how we can buy Facebook followers from this SMM panel. For that, you need to first log into your SMM panel, and I have logged in here. You can see this is my account, and I have already logged in here. And from here, I want to go to my new order section because I will do order, right? So I'm going to this new order section, and now scroll down and you can see that I have spent this total amount and total orders, and my balance is now 0.048, but you need to add your balance minimum $3 here, so that you can buy followers and those things. Without balance you can't buy. So I am just showing all the steps, and I have showed already that how we can add our add funds. If we add our funds, then it will show here that we have add $3, $4, $5, $100, as much as you want to add you can. So now you can see that here I have added this fund section, and now you can see that category section, and you need to click on this category section. So we want to buy some followers for Facebook, right? Scroll down and you can see this is our Facebook section, and that is Facebook Reel short video service, Facebook fan page likes, Facebook followers page. You can see they are providing each and everything, and that is, you can see that Facebook followers for profile and followers for page. If you have page, then you can go with this page. If you have profile only, then you can go with this profile. Okay, Facebook post or photos like reaction and those things. Okay, and then you can see videos, reels, views by time, Facebook videos, views, live stream, views, monetizable views, Facebook HQ live service, Facebook monetization service, watch time and views. You can see if you want to monetize your Facebook account, then you can go with this service also, because for monetization we need watch time and views, right? We need more watch time and more views, so you can go with this one. Facebook other group members, friend request and rating. You can see Facebook Korean service. You can see they are providing each and everything for Facebook, not only for Facebook, for all social media. So I will show everything for all of the social media. So I'm showing this Facebook things first. So you can see that we can go with these followers, right? So if you have page, then you can go with this page section, and if you have Facebook followers for profile, you want to you want to get some followers for your profile, then you can go with profile. So I am going with this Facebook followers page. You can see that I have selected this one, and after that it will show these services. Okay, this is our category section, right? And this is our services section. So go with this service section, and now you need to see that where is refill section and where is that no drop things are written over there, so that if for some reason our followers get down or drop, then we can go this support section and we can say them that this is our screenshot and this is our followers, whatever you have given us, and we have paid this much amount and now it got dropped, so please refill my followers, right? So that we can say like this if we will get this refill section. Otherwise, if we select any drop package and no refill package, then we can't go and go to this support section and we can't say them that our followers got dropped, right? So this is the safe side you need to go to with that refill section, refill things. So you can see that this one is first one, Facebook followers any type page. For any type page they will give, and they did not add any refill and those things, so we will not go with this one. Facebook like followers any type of page or profile, they are not adding any refill section here. Facebook page likes or followers maximum 100k, you can see they are giving here refill things, refill. You can see this word refill, and this is within 60 days. Okay, within 60 days if your followers got down, drop, then you can go with this refill section and you can go to this support section and tell them that our followers got dropped, whatever you have given us. Okay, so you can see they are charging here and how much they are charging here. So this is safe side to go with this refill things. Okay, and you can see last of all that is Facebook followers page with follow button and those things, but they did not add any refill button or no drop things. Okay, so this is the safe side to go with this one, Facebook page likes or followers maximum 100k refill. So I will go with this refill things and then scroll down. Okay, so you can see that they are asking for $3.344. $3.344. Okay, so scrolling down.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel to see upcoming videos, and to get notification, click the bell icon.